Welcome to the Everest series of Awesome Holidays Nepal. Today we are going to share what a standard Everest Base Camp trek looks like. For more Everest packages fit to your needs, check our official website at www.awesomeholidaysnepal.com. Day 1. Arrival in Kathmandu, where our company representatives will welcome you and also drop you off at accommodation. Settle up and freshen up before joining the rest of the team for our welcome dinner later in the evening, where you will also receive a brief about upcoming trek. Then you can proceed to your room and have a good night's rest. Day 2. Thrilling flight to Lukla. Waking up early today, we will head to the airport to catch the earliest flight available to Lukla. Since the weather here can change at any minute, delays are critical. Wait patiently. Once you have boarded the flight, the thrilling mountain panorama will amuse you. Starting with the Lantanier Range, you will be able to catch a glimpse of the Everest panorama. With landing on the shortest runway at an elevation of 2800 meters, the thrill continues with the hike to Fakting village, your destination for the day in Congo. Since your body needs to adapt, we will rest at a lower elevation on this day. Day 3. Trek to Namche Bazaar. Day 3 of this journey offers a taste of the trek. You will trek for 6 to 7 hours and gain roughly an elevation of 900 meters, just in a single day. Passing through the beautiful suspension bridges over the Lukla River and the rich biodiversity of Sagarmatha National Park, the UNESCO World Heritage Site, we reach Namche Bazaar. For the rest of the day, you can explore the town or just rest out your sore muscles from the trek. Day 4. Acclimatization Day in Namche Bazaar. Your body can't immediately adapt to colder temperature in high elevation as such. Thus, it is important to acclimatize and gain elevation gradually. On this day, we will take a short hike to the Everest View Hotel, which is located at an elevation of 3,880 meters, from where you can catch the breathtaking views of Mount Everest, Lhotse and Amadablam. After you get back to Namche, enjoy a stroll around the market for a gear that you might have missed, or you can just withdraw some cash. Remember, this is the only ATM stop where you can withdraw the cash for the entire trek to and from EBC. Day 5. Scenic Trek to Tengboche. Moving on, we will have a spiritual encounter today with the trek to Tengboche village. Traversing through the dense rhododendron forest, you can savor the stupendous view of Everest, Lhotse and Amadablam. The quiet spiritual ambience of the famous Tengboche monastery set against the stunning backdrop of Amadablam rejuvenates your soul after a 7-hour empty trek. If you are trekking in the fall, you will also encounter the Tibetan Sherpa traditions at the monastery, which celebrates the Mani Rumbu festival. Day 6. Tengboche to Dingboche. Moving forward, we will continue the trek, crossing trails through varied landscapes, dense forests and Indra River to reach Dingboche. We will first ascend to the traditional village of Pangboche and another climb. Going even higher, one comes to Dingboche. Within the beautiful Imza Valley, you can get the stunning view of Lhotse, Amadablam and Island Peak from this point. Day 7. Acclimatization Day in Dingboche. Since Dingboche is at an elevation of 4,400 meters, you spend a leisurely day to allow your bodies to acclimate to the thin air and low oxygen on the trek ahead. Since there isn't much to do today, you can enjoy short hikes around the hills to catch the scenic sight of Everest Massif. Afterwards, stay cozy at your tea house and prepare your body and mind for the rewarding trek the next day. Day 8. Trek to Lhotse. As we approach our destination, the Everest Base Camp, we will continue our trek to Lhotse today. We will be traversing through challenging routes with rocky terrain and shrubland. Despite the difficulty of the trek, the rewarding views of the Khumbu Glacier and the majestic mountains are certainly worth it. Finally, you will reach Lhotse and cuddle up in a tea house, preserving your energy for a close encounter with Everest the next day. Day 9. Trek to the Everest Base Camp and back to Gorakhpur. After waking up early and having breakfast, we will hike to Gorakhpur, the last stop before reaching the grandeur of Everest. After a short rest in Gorakhpur, we will continue our journey to soak in awe-inspiring views of the Khumbu Icefall and the surrounding Himalayan giants. After spending a few hours at the base camp, we will return to Gorakhet on this day and stay overnight. This day captures the essence of your Nepal adventure, both the physical challenge and the breathtaking natural beauty. Day 10. Hike to Kalapattar and back to Ferry. Since Everest isn't clearly visible right from its base camp, you can hike up to Kalapattar the next day. Located at an elevation of 5,545 meters, this point offers a vantage point for some of the most ethereal views of Everest, especially at around sunset and sunrise. If you still have the energy for the trek, you can return to Ferry. Alternatively, you can also request a helicopter ride back to Lukla and then to Kathmandu from there on. For trekkers, the route from Ferry to Namche is just a one-day trek. From then on, you will return to Phagding and then to Lukla, retracing the same steps as you did on your way to EBC. Lastly, enjoy a free day in Kathmandu before getting back. After completing the fantastic Everest Base Camp trek, your body is likely to need rest and aftercare. Spend your free day in Kathmandu at a spa for a therapeutic massage to relieve your sore muscles from the trek. And don't forget to shop for the souvenirs in Tamil's streets and enjoy your final stroll before you head back to your home country. If this interesting trek intrigues you, book your Everest trek right now at Awesome Holidays. Thank you.